Crosetti Brand appeared before a judge today and waived his right to counsel, saying he wants to represent himself at trial. Brand is accused of killing 11-year-old Jayden Perkins and attempting to kill his mother, who Perkins tried to protect. Family members of the boy left court today feeling let down by the system. They say their loved one is gone because Brand was let out of prison on parole despite Perkins' mother filing for an emergency order of protection before Brand's release.
Violating that order of protection was a red flag that should not have been missed.
Now, several Republican state senators are pushing for reform of the Prisoner Review Board, which has seen 2 members resign amid the controversy of Brand's release.
At the end of the day, it was the Governor Pritzker's Prison Review Board that released Crosetti Brand. Despite overwhelming evidence, he was dangerous to this family.
Senate Republicans say they want stepped-up criminal penalties for violating a protection order. They want a requirement for appointees of the Prisoner Review Board to have served at least 20 cumulative years in the criminal justice system as a prosecutor, criminal defense attorney, judge, probation officer, or public defender. And they want a public written notice within 24 hours of a decision being made to release. Governor J.B. Pritzker spoke earlier this week of the challenge of replacing 2 members of the Prisoner Review Board.
Well, the more that people politicize the position, the less likely it is that someone would want to serve in it. And as you know, there have been people in the General Assembly, typically the opposite party, who have politicized this. So it makes it more difficult.
The family of Jayden Perkins declined an interview after Brand's court hearing, but told me anything that happens now is too late. As Crosetti Brand prepares to represent himself against first-degree murder charges, he's due back in court April 9th.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.